All right. Well, thank you for joining us at Decker's Nursery and Florist. We're coming to the end of March. It came in like a lion. We had snow at the beginning of March, so it's going to go out like a lamb. We're just entering our last week of the month of March. So right behind the end of this month, we're going to be celebrating Easter. And Easter is a great holiday for garden centers, and for my family, we enjoy it very much. And one of the indicators of the Easter season are all the beautiful flowers that emerge, the bulbs. And hopefully you guys had time in the fall with the hyacinths and the daffodils. We have some tulips that are here. They're a little later coming out. But these are the bulbs you plant in the fall to have in the spring. So if you haven't done that, we go ahead and we get them ready for you so that you'll have some pretty new flowers for the Easter season. One of our biggest hits, or one of our collections, is the Garden in a Basket. And we prepare hundreds of these for the Easter holiday and the Passover holiday with hydrangeas and ranunculus. And we mix in all these different flowering plants. We have the classic Easter lily. So Easter is a little earlier this year, so you're not going to have a lot of the summer annuals that everyone's waiting for. So I hope this will be a year where you get to really enjoy the classic early cool weather bulbs and annual flowers. So pansies are in there, ranunculus, and if you're looking for a gift idea, I hope you'll join us at Decker's Nursery and Florist. Thank you, and I'll see you in the garden.